Hello viewers, welcome to Sumi and Siddharth channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a rich and refreshing watermelon and feta cheese salad. Most of us know watermelon has a tons of health benefits, like it's a great source for antioxidant and rich in vitamin C and a great source for water content and the fiber content. Along with all these health benefits, when the food tastes great, everybody will like to taste this recipe. So let's go through the process. Make a rich watermelon feta salad. All you need is a bowl of watermelon and half a cup of cucumber and quarter cup of feta cheese. If you want to make it healthy, you can reduce the quantity, but this is how we like it in our house. And 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, quarter teaspoon of salt. And here I finely chopped 5 mint leaves. While you are adding salt, first taste your end product, then you can sprinkle it in the last minute, because feta cheese also has a salt and lemon gives you sourness for your salad. So wait till the last to check the seasoning, and then you can add your salt according to your taste. If you want to make it more healthy, you can increase the cucumber quantity equal to the watermelon quantity. Here I have transferred my watermelon into a big bowl. That way it is easy for me to mix it well, and squeezing the lemon juice. Sprinkle the mint leaves. Look at the color contrast. Look wise, nothing can beat watermelon salad because the color combination is so good. And you can add cucumber. Toss it well. Here I am adding salt, half of it, whatever the quantity I mentioned, and I am going to toss it well. My rich watermelon, cucumber, feta cheese salad is ready. If you are a spicy eater, you can chop half a chili into fine pieces and add it well. Try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section how did you like it. And also, if you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up and share with your family and friends, and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.